Hello friends, welcome in my new video. In this video, I will show how to hack Subway Surfer, means that how to get unlimited coins, keys and much more. First of all, open Chrome or any browser. Search Subway Surfer Mode APK. Click on first website. Click on download. Now wait for 7 seconds. Now click on download. Click on download anyway. Now you can see that the download process is started. Now I skip that process. Please subscribe for more. Subscribe to my channel and click on and press the bell icon and like the video for more updates. Now you can see that it is downloaded. Tap on install. Now it is installing. I skip it. Now open it. Are you here? Tell me in comments. Set the date of birth, age. Now start the game and enjoy. As you can see that the mode is work properly. Now you can see that there are unlimited boards and also there are unlimited score booster and headshots. So guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Thanks for watching, so take care and enjoy. And now you can see that there are unlimited coins and keys. So guys, enjoy it.